It's an honor to welcome you all to our first Jetour T1 meet and greet. Today, no scripts, no long agendas. This is just a simple, genuine intention that we want to connect with you.
When I test drive the T1, it's really a comfort one. So every day is a luxury feeling. And even with the service center, if there's something that I don't really know, I immediately report it to the service center and they immediately schedule me on a quick visit in order for them to check it. So definitely a plus for me.
Regarding this event, actually masaya kasi it gives us confidence na meron na mga available parts dito sa warehouse and narinig din yung mga experiences nila and mga concerns nila. And so far, very helpful yung event. Excited gamitin yung watch kasi first time na, di ba, yung kotse, makokontrol mo ng watch.
With the new technology of Jetour, we are really proud that Jetour is also giving us this great watch.
Panatag tayo na in case meron tayong mga parts na kailangan, so may readily available tayo na parts. And of course, we got the chance na makilala, ma-meet and greet natin yung mga kapwa natin owners ng Jetour T1.
It was really a successful event. The event was really helpful, very informative, and everyone actually raised their concern, the good feedback and everything. And I think the event really helps a lot for the first 100 customer and the upcoming month. Thank you very much, Jetour Philippines.